Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tales Unfold. And what if I tell you that you can create your own AI agent using the code, same like on the path of ChatGPT, like you ask any questions and it replies you? That looks amazing, isn't it? So let me take you directly onto my code and we will ask the questions and I will give you a quick demo. And then if you are interested to stay more, then you can stay on to the video and to go into the deep dive of what the tools I have used, how I created this AI agent. But it is the real beauty of AI. So I'm going onto my screen. You can see PyCharm is there on my screen, and on PyCharm I have a code which I'm going to start, and it will soon ask us a few of the things, and then once it starts, then we will ask the question. If you see on the console, the program has started running the main file main.py, which is a Python file, and in the background I'm using Cloud. Claude is the model LLM from Anthropic. So I'm using that one, and soon it will give us the prompt to greet, like it says now. You can see on my screen, hello, hope you are well. What can I help you research today? So let me ask a simple question. What is the capital of India and population of the capital? Please save into a file. So let's ping this question and let's see what it comes back with. So it is coming back, it is doing some research in the background, it came back with some of the answers and it has responded something. So if we see here, it is saying New Delhi, and in Hindi it says Nai Delhi, and then is the capital, and then in the background it is doing some processing, and now finally it finished the chain. So let me take you directly to the output. You must have observed this file there, here on the screen, research output. This was not there previously, so it has generated this file, it has saved this file. I'm going to take you directly onto the folder where the file is saved. Sorry, one sec. So the file is saved here. Right, so this is the output it generated. The timestamp is 10:10, which is currently, you can see on my screen, we are on 10:12. So it generated that one, and capital of India is New Delhi, as a crux it told you, and then the population is this one, and then now it is saying New Delhi is the capital city of India and is the second most populous city in the world. The population has shown a consistent growth rate with 2.34% increase from 2020 to 23 to 24, and all that stuff, political, administrative, and everything it is telling us. Because, and now if you want more information about it, you can ask more information. So that was a quick demo how it works. Now let's go into the deep dive of how the program works, what it is doing, why it is not showing the full results. And you might have seen that it is just showing the limited results, because I have put some limit on the prompt. So that means it works on the token and we need to pay the money for every single token we are using. So that's why currently I had put it to I can show you, currently I had put it to 100, limit as 100. And but if you want to increase, you can increase the token limit as well. So I have used a token limit here. These are the maximum characters it will return, and top k results is like how many results we want it to return. So basically I had used one, but if you want more results, if you want more information, you can definitely edit this information and run it, and then it will give you everything you want. But let me take you what it does, basically how it is working. So what I'm using as it tools, I'm using three tools here. One is Wikipedia, so I'm instructing this one to use Wikipedia in the background, and one is Wikipedia and one is DuckDuckGo search. So DuckDuckGo search is a search engine. It is an optimized search engine. What it does, it goes to Google, it search everything, and then it will tell you, and it will go back with all the information that it finds from the Google and from the search engine using this search engine. And similarly, we have given the Wikipedia as well, that it will find the information from Wikipedia, it will fetch everything, and then it will present in front of you. So these are the two tools. The third is the search, the save to text file we have used. This is our own tool. So these three tools I have used. And in terms of like what LLM we are using, you can use OpenAI or you can use Claude. I have used Claude, which is like from Anthropic, and Anthropic I'm using this particular model from there. I have the key here from Claude, and using that key we are accessing it. So what we are doing, basically we are giving a prompt to this. You are a research assistant which will help generate a research paper, answer the user query, and use necessary tools. When we say necessary tools, then it will identify our three tools that we just talked about. And here is the query that user will write, which we have written about Delhi, and it will pass that information, and it will also have some memories like the chat history. So based on, means you can keep on asking the question and it will keep replying you based on the memory as well that it has it from that chat thread. So that's how it works. And once you say it, this is the greeting prompt that I had put there, and I am going I'm using the structured response. So I'm using Python tick here just to do the error handling and more structured approach. For that, I'm using it, and I'm using agent executor so that it works in the background as an agent and to give you the information. So that's all about it. I think this is really a innovative thing, and this is a really new things to use LLMs these days. And if we use LLMs, if we use the beauty of LLMs, then it is really a next level world. So uh, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe the channel, because I'm going to put all such kind of videos every week. I will try every now and then when I do more research, then I put these videos there. So just to add here, whatever information we have just discussed, it is showing here. So because I had put the verbose as a true, there is a verbose function in Python that you can put true, and if you put it true, then it will tell you how it is working, what it is doing. So basically what it is showing you is that invoking search with New Delhi, capital of India, current population, then it is searching on the internet, and then now it came back with this output, and then in Hindi as well, it is saying it is Nai Delhi, and then further it is fetching the information, and then now it will tell you what all tools it has used, because I have used in my code just to show what all tools I have used. One is search tool that we had looked at, the second one is Wikipedia, and then the third one is the save text to file. So basically with the empowerment of Wikipedia, with the empowerment of DuckDuck search go engine, and with the empowerment of Python and some more libraries within Python, and using the LLM model, this is all possible. And AI is really an innovative world. So keep looking for such videos on this channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.